Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna help you learn how to create an Amazon account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to create an account on Amazon, go click open a web browser first. In the search box, type in www.amazon.com and press the enter on your keyboard. And soon after you do that, you'll end up in the home screen of Amazon. In order to create a new account, go and click on this account and list option, and right below the sign in button, you'll be able to see new customer, start here link. Click on start here and create an account for your Amazon. Start by entering your name in the first text field. And soon after you do that, move on to the next one and enter a valid email address. Now, on the next field, create a password for your account. Make sure to enter at least 6 characters. If you want to double check your password if it's correct or not, click on this eye icon in the right corner. It will help you reveal your password, and once you do have a correct password, go and enter the password in the next text field one more time. After you're done, click on Create Your Amazon Account. Go ahead and solve the puzzle displayed. In my case, I'll have to solve a puzzle. Click on Solve Puzzle and complete the task. Once you're done, an OTP password has been sent to your email that is associated with the account. Simply enter the OTP right here in the box and click on Create Your Amazon Account. In case you didn't receive the OTP, you can go and click on Resend OTP and you'll be sent a new set of OTP for verification. After you're done, click on Create Your Amazon Account and there you go. It's that quick and easy. You have successfully created an Amazon account for yourself. Go ahead and browse through the menu that has been displayed and start shopping. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.